The golden dart frog is an example of an amphibian in the Chordata phylum. This frog's poison is very dangerous. It gets its name from the fact that hunters used to use the poison by coating their arrowheads and darts with it. Its scientific name is Philobactes terribilis. This is a phylogenetic tree for all animals. This is a phylogenetic tree showing the different families of frogs. This is a picture I made showing the classification of the golden dart frog. All amphibians have bilateral symmetry, which means it can be divided into two equal parts along the midline. All animals in the Chordata phylum show a high level of cephalization. The sense organs of the golden dart frog are concentrated at the anterior end of its body, forming a head and brain. Amphibians develop three tissue layers from the embryo. Amphibians have two gut openings. All amphibians contain a layer of coelom, which holds all of the animal's internal organs. Amphibians have a blood system. The blood is pumped from a three-chambered heart with two atria and one ventricle. This type of blood system is called a closed blood system. Closed blood systems are more efficient because they are better at transporting glucose and oxygen around the body. But they are also less efficient because the blood mixes in the single ventricle. Amphibians reproduce using eggs. The male frog climbs into the back of the female frog and fertilizes the eggs as they are laid. The female covers the eggs with a jelly-like substance which causes the eggs to float to the surface of the water. The eggs then hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles live exclusively in water and breathe through gills. The tadpoles then slowly change into frogs. This process is called metamorphosis. Amphibians usually have strong legs and a wide stance to support their body weight on land. Amphibians develop moist skin so that they can breathe their skin and lungs interchangeably. Amphibians develop stereoscopic vision, which means that they can see in 3 dimensions, which helps them to hunt on land. Amphibians have long legs and webbed feet, which helps them to swim in water. Amphibians play a very important role in the food chain. They are a food source for animals such as birds and snakes, and help to ensure that the insect population does not rise too high, as they are their main source of food. Amphibians are also seen as good ecological indicators due to their high degree of sensitivity. In the last 2 decades, amphibian numbers have declined rapidly. This is mostly due to climate change and destruction of habitat. If amphibians are not conserved, their numbers will become too low, and this will have a very bad effect on the ecosystem.